gas explosions have killed 11 people, most of them children, in the western city of Herat. Police say a gas tanker exploded around midnight on Monday, triggering a series of blasts at a gas storage facility. The explosion started an inferno which rapidly spread to a nearby settlement for displaced people. It was not immediately clear whether the blasts were the result of an accident or caused by a militant attack. Meanwhile, the Afghan Interior Ministry said security forces had killed a total of 41 militants and seized weapons across the country over the past 24 hours. The ministry did not say if security forces had suffered any casualties.